Hi guys! Today we're going to unbox and review the INGCO 20 volts Lithium-Ion Cordless Jigsaw. This is Danz Garage, and I'm the jack of all trades.
It's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
The jigsaw is one of the most important tools na kakailanganin natin para sa woodworking. The jigsaw can cut metal, aluminum, and it's primarily used for wood. So kung balak nyo mag-woodworking, this is the tool for you guys. So now, let's unbox. Now, let's open this up. Nice. So, kaganda nun, naka-bubble wrap siya. So, as we can see, so guys, 20 volts siya. Lithium-ion battery, kasama siya sa P20 series. Ang kanyang revolutions per minute is 2,400. Cutting depth sa wood is 80 mm. Sa metal naman is 8 mm. So meron siyang pendulum action na 4 stage. Ito yun, no? Tapos pwede natin siyang i-tilt ng 45 degrees sa ating cutting angle. And nakalagay siya sa color box. Sa loob meron din siyang mga pre-blades na pang wood. So included sa box, meron siyang parallel guide, dalawang hex key, and the main unit. So buksan na natin. So una natin makikita, wow, I have my receipt, warranty card. So this is the operating manual. Nice, kasi kailangan natin basahin muna lahat ito bago tayo mag-operate. So nandiyan naman lahat ng kanyang description at yung mga functions. Okay, assembly, operation, at ito ulit yung kanyang exploded view with the parts list. Ganda talaga ng mga ano ng INGCO, kanilang manual. So meron din siyang kasamang libreng 5 blades na pang wood. Ito naman yung kanyang parallel guide. So it is made of metal. Kulay silver naman siya ngayon. Tapos pins. And yung kanyang dalawang hex key. And now this is the main unit. Nice. So yung kanyang foot ay made out of steel, kapal. Look at that. Tapos yung body niya is made of rubberized plastic. And then ang ganda ng grip niya. Ang sarap hawakan, hindi talaga madulas. Nice. So sa paggamit naman ng kanyang parallel guide, ganun din. Meron siyang gauge dito, 0 to 16. Lalagay lang natin yan dyan. Tapos yung pins na gagamitin natin para mailak yan dun. So kung gusto natin ng 10 centimeters, si center lang natin yung 10 centimeters doon. Then tsaka natin i-lock using the pins. Okay. Next naman, insert tayo ng blades. So kuha tayo ng blade. Siya. So ang gagawin natin, luluwangan lang muna natin to. Yung nut dito, luwangan natin counterclockwise. Ayan. Then tsaka tayo mag-insert ng blade facing front ang blade. Kailangan sagad. Okay, that's it. Sagad. Then tsaka natin siya uli i-lock. So guys, itong pendulum na to, ito yung pagka ginamit natin itong pendulum action na to, bali pinupush niya itong blade pakain dun sa wood o kung saan man yung ikakat natin. Pagka sinwitch natin yan, mag-swing forward yan dahil sa pendulum na to. Pero mas mabagal siya mag-cut. Pero pagka hindi natin siya ginamit, mas mabilis siya mag-cut. So guys, siguraduhin pati natin na kailangan laging masikip ang pagkakakabit natin ng blade para hindi siya mag-release habang ginagamit natin siya. Now let's power this thing up using the 20V battery. This is the Lithium-Ion 20V battery. So, lalagay lang natin yan. Okay. So, ito nga pala yung switch niya. Tapos, ito yung safety. Bali, hindi natin to mape-press pagka hindi natin hinawakan yung kanyang safety. So, hindi natin siya accidentally mapipindot. So, let's try. So, yun yung sawing action niya, di ba? Now, we're good to cut. So, guys, before we start cutting anything, we have to have safety. So, we are going to use safety goggles. So, kung meron man tumalsik to na parts nung nilalagarin natin or baka maputol yung blade at tumalsik sa ating mga mata, meron tayong eye protection. Also, we are going to use mask para hindi natin masinghot yung mga usok or kusot na lumalabas dun sa ating nilalagari. We have to protect our lungs. Let's get it on. First, we're going to cut this piece of wood. So, this is about 7 inches by 3.5. Okay. Let's clamp this down. Kailangan ilagay natin sinisecure yung clamp para hindi gumalaw yung nilalagay natin. Okay? Now let's do it. So, we'll have a line para matunggan natin kung saan yun. Okay. Mask on. Ito yung pinagkatan, ito yung kinat. Look at that. Ang fine niya, di ba? Oh. Ang kita yung kinat. Makinis. Saka mabilis siya. Let's do another. Now let's do this wood. This is about 1.5 inch by 1 inch. So, tingnan naman natin ito. Medyo hard ito ha. So again, lagyan natin ng line. Oh, let's cut. Let's do another. Easy peasy. Dali, no? Diba? Saka yung ganitong jigsaw, hindi siya masyadong nakaka-intimidate yung gamitin. Hindi katulad ng circular saw. Medyo masyadong loud yun eh, diba? Okay, let's try another wood. So, ito yung kinat natin kanina. As you can see, yan, straight siya. Tama yung angle. See, makinis. Now, we are going to cut this wood, plywood. Now we'll make a line. Now we are cutting. See? Straight, linis. Fine. Now, dahil flexible ito, pwede siyang gumawa ng curve. Gawa tayo ng curve. Tingnan natin kung magagawa niya. Let's adjust the wood. Let's do curves. Look at that. That's perfect. Diba? Nice. So, a little bit of sanding na lang yan. Fine na yung gawa natin. Now we're going to do an angled cut on this wood. Gawin natin yung 45-degree cutting niya. Okay. So first, kailangan natin i-adjust yung foot niya para mag 45 degree. So, kailangan natin yung kanyang hex key. Okay, here. So, luluwangon lang natin yan para magalaw natin yung kanyang foot. Ayan. Tapos, meron siyang marking dito na makikita natin yung gauge. Ayan. So, tutok natin siya sa 45 degrees right there, and then saka natin siya ilak. May mga groove naman doon para mag-lock sa meron siya mga V-cut dito sa loob para mag-lock doon. Dito lang natin para hindi malaw ang kanyang foot. Okay, now we're ready to go. Sabihin na yan, i-stamp natin yung wood. Now moving, okay, let's do the 45 degree cutting. Kailangan laging flat yung kanyang foot yung base. Okay? See? So that is the see, that is a 45-degree angle. See, kaya natin kailangan mag-match yan. Nice. So we have the 45-degree plotting. So now we have seen this jigsaw in action. Can do a lot, right? Pwede tayo magputol ng mabilis ng kahoy or plywood. Pwedeng straight, pwedeng angled, at pwede ring curve. Napaka-versatile ng tool na ito. It's so lightweight na hindi nakakangalay gamitin. It's not that intimidating gamitin. Very comfortable and easy to use. Plus, it is cordless, wire-free, kaya we are free to move around without thinking or worrying about that wire that it would get on the way sa ating pinakat. This tool is one of my best buy. It is an essential addition to my power tool collection. So for me guys, 2 thumbs up ang INGCO 20 volts Lithium-Ion Cordless Jigsaw. So guys, dito na natatapos ang video ito for the INGCO Cordless Jigsaw. Sana ay mayroon kayong bagong natuklasan at natutunan sa video ito. And sana it will help you decide what tool you are going to buy for yourself the next time. But before we go, I've noticed na 70.8% pa po ng ating mga viewers ay hindi nakasubscribe sa aking channel. So please mag-subscribe na po kayo kaagad para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga upcoming new cool videos. Shoutout nga po pala tayo kay Dia, Stay Beautiful Girl, to Danilo Olar from Tarlac, and to Lighthouse Enterprises from Lazada for sending us this wonderful product. If you like this video, hit that like button. And if you learned something and you want to know more, mag-subscribe. Libreng-libre lang yan. To be updated to our latest videos and updates, click that bell button.